So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy voucher with Capitec app. So first off, you just have to make sure that the application is up to date. And once you have clicking the application, this is the screen right here will appear. And once you are in the screen, you should press transact. And once you are clicking transact, you could see this appearance after clicking the transact button, and you could see the buy vouchers right here. So once you are clicking this buy vouchers, you could see this things like this. You could buy the vouchers, and as you can see, you should pick the vouchers or something like that. And once you have filled some fields in the after clicking the buy now in all of the or some in the vouchers, uh, after that you could see something like this in your voucher. As you can see, it has been blocked, but you can see the check button. Once you are clicking this, it means it is successful, and you could use it, and you could use the voucher after that. Once you have seen this emoticon, you could see or you could use the voucher in any something related to the Capitec app, and that's it.